Our fun begins with Vegas Trike Adventures, where they pick us up at Valley's Hotel and we go on to Boulder City for a practice run. We made it to Hoover Dam. They take us across the dam and over on up to a lookout where our tour guide gives us information and history on the dam. We also have a souvenir shop we can go and buy some souvenirs. After Hoover Dam, we go a little further onto Lake Mead for the lookout to take some breathtaking pictures. Our last stop on the trip was to Hemingway Park, where they have bighorn sheep. They are native to the area, but there were no sheep that day. We both highly recommend using Vegas Trike Adventures to go see the Hoover Dam. It is so awesome.